Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EduLogos Mind. If you like the video, then hit the like button and put the bell icon, then you will get all my update videos at your fingertips. So today we will discuss about Indian heritage and culture. What is culture in India? Before knowing that, we will discuss what is group, community and society. So, people around us living in big or small groups, and groups can be various kind like your family, neighborhood and religious group. And what is community? When people live together in a particular area or place, that is community, like Hindus, Muslims, Christian community, etc. That is religious communities. Okay? And if you are talking about society, yes, society also a group of people, but society sets its own rule, sometimes written or sometimes unwritten. But everybody in a society have to follow the rules, obey the authority rules, like government laws, like in house, parents' rule, in school, teachers' rule, so on. So, in a society, we should know the values and knowledge shared by people, and that is only the culture. So now, at first we will discuss about the languages and literatures. Yes, in our Constitution of India, there are 22 languages recognized. Means, you know what is Constitution? Constitution means in Indian, the book of which the Indian laws are written. And in this book, 22 languages are recognized. But I want to say you that in India, a country like that, people are spoken in so many languages, more than 22. The tribal languages, the religion languages, and so many foreign languages also, and so many ancient languages also very popular. But still 22 languages are recognized in the constitution, and this many languages literature also written, like at first I want to say about Sanskrit. It is one of the ancient and oldest language in our country, and many language came from these Sanskrit languages, and so many ancient texts like Vedas, Puranas, Upanishad, and epics like our Hindus' holy book like Mahabharata and Ramayana. These all are written in Sanskrit. Not only that, so many ancient novels written by Kalidasa, the famous Sakuntalam, that is also in Sanskrit. And I want to say that the ancient economic, which is written by Kautilya, that is also written in Sanskrit. Many other writers also written in their region languages. Region languages means in Bihar, Rajasthani language, in Odisha, Odia language, in West Bengal, Bengali, in South Kannadian language, Malayali language. So many writers written, famous writers, especially in when the British rule over India at that time. Rabindranath Tagore got Nobel Prize from British government because of his Gitanjali. Gitanjali, a Bengali poetic book that he had translated into English, and that's why he got the Nobel Prize from British government. And I want to say about Premchand, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, and Sarojini Naidu, many more writers at that time, very famous writers. Not only that, In English text also, Bikram Seth, R.K. Narayan. Still in our English text in CBSE, ICSE, so many academic session also we are studying them, R.K. Narayan and Rabindranath Tagore, Bikram Seth, etc. And now next I am going to art and painting. So about art and painting I want to say that in medieval period, people at first people were living in the caves and they are sharing their feelings by the drawing. At the time they do not know of the letters, so they view their drawing, they view their daily life through the drawing on the wall of the caves, means their living areas. And about miniature painting, especially in medieval period, in Mughal inspired this miniature painting. Mughal Samrat Jahangir specially encouraged this miniature painting. You can see that is the picture of Jahangir also. Miniature painting means the original painting making it a small figure, means the original people in a ratio. This is the picture of the original people. Original people is much more bigger than a picture. So miniature painting, that is a small version of something which is normally much bigger. And now I want to show you the Madhubani painting. That is the Madhubani painting belonging to Mithila region of Bihar. This is the Madhubani painting, very famous painting. And now I want to say that from Bihar, Madhubani painting, Andhra Pradesh, Kalamkari painting, West Bengal, Patachitra and Katha stitch, Madhya Pradesh Gond, Rajasthan Pant, Maharashtra Varli, these all are painting very famous. Now I am going towards the monuments. All of you know the famous Taj Mahal at Agra, the best example of Mughal architecture. That is the seventh wonder in the world also. And the next, Sachi Stupa near Bhopal, one of the oldest stone structure where the roof is like dome structure. And this is the thing I want to say you. This in the Mughal, by seeing this dome structure, dome over the roof, when we are seeing the dome over the roof, we understand this type of buildings are the Indo-Islamic building. Generally, the dome over the building, this type of building are at this medieval period, but especially the Indo-Islamic architectures. And this type of building shows that the British, in this British time, this type of buildings are architect in India. This is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, now the name is, but that building built by the British. So these are all are the monuments, and now I am going towards the music of this period. Music, yes, there are two type of music, Hindustani and Carnatic. Hindustani music belongs to the northern India, and Carnatic music are from South India. And there are two type of musics like instrumental and instrumental means tabla, dholak, sitar, flute, sarod, many types of instrumental the music played by the instrument, that is instrumental music, and other it is vocal music, which is the song when it is sung by the vocal, then it is called vocal music. Now there are so many music are there from so many states, that also I want to show you. Like baul music from West Bengal and chakri music from Jammu Kashmir, and many more. Rasiya Geet of Uttar Pradesh, and Lotia of Rajasthan, Mando of Goa. There are so many type of regional music are very popular. Now we are going towards the dance. There are so many dance are there. I want to show you the pictures. You can see a book like Natya Sastra. They are all the ancient book Natya Sastra. All the laws of dance write down over this book, and you can see everybody. Most of you know Garwa, Odissi dance from Odisha, Gidda from Punjab. Yes, Bharatnatyam, our most famous dance, Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And I want to show you Kathakali. That is the Kathakali, that is from Kerala, dance drama from Kerala, and Manipuri dance from Manipur, and Kathak dance from Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi dance from Andhra Pradesh, Satriya from Assam, Garwa from Rajasthan, like that. So many dance are there. You can see this from Gujarat, Garba, Punjabi, Punjab, Bhangra, all this form of dance are there. You can note down also. The languages, literature, monuments, art, music, all together, this is the culture, Indian culture.